stop petting?
Oh.
Whoop, whoop.
You have to get some treads on there for sure.
You got it.
What's up, Mama?
She's got it all
He's
day.
got it.
All day. You got it.
That's what I was saying. We should maybe eventually move it over to the middle so they don't want to climb over this side.
Yeah. She's
Here.
like, I'm king of the world.
Yay! You're out of the way, Lita. Let's go.
Oh my goodness.
Hey. Wow. Yeah, they make some super silly noises. Good girl.
Girl. Oh, you two are fighting over the love.
What do you think, Mama? Oh, come over here. Good girl. Whoa. It's starting to sprinkle. I know. She's like, there's two over there. I don't know how to get them over here. Pretty Mama. Wow. Hi. Oh, puppy's outside the gate.